Hello and welcome to a video from filmsbychris.com. That's Chris with a K. I'm Chris with a K. Previous videos we created some QR codes, but how can you on your desktop scan for QR codes? Let's say you have an image that is a QR code, either from a screenshot or you download it from somewhere. Well, there's a program called ZBar Image. Now, the package is called, if we say on a Debian-based system, I'm going to use aptitude search, but you can also use apt. And I'll search for ZBar, and you can see there's a package here called ZBar Tools, which will install ZBar Image and also ZBar Cam, either the GTK or the Qt package, depending on what framework you prefer. But I already have that installed. So what I'm going to do is I have a QR code that we created. We have two here that I think have the same information on them from a previous video. And what I can just do now that I have ZBar Image installed, I can do that. And then I can just give it the name of the file that we've created, qr.png. And it will say, okay, it found a QR code, because ZBar Image doesn't just find QR codes, it finds all types of barcodes. And in this case, it's telling you it found one, it is a QR code, this is the text, and it says it scanned and found one, but the image could have multiple QR codes or other types of barcodes in it. Now, that's a lot of information. What if we just want the text? Well, one thing we can do, we can say --raw, and that will give us the text, but it also gives us still the output here with more information. So we can add to that -q, and now we should get just the text from any barcodes in this image. In this case, it's just the URL. Now, you might go back to when we searched for the packages and saw there was one called ZBar Cam, and cam-GTK, just depending on what package you have. If you have a webcam, that will actually open up and run that program for scanning images, just like you would with your phone, but you can do it with your desktop using the webcam. So this is going to be very useful especially if you have a bunch of QR codes you can scan through and find a bunch in one image if you want. But again, this is a package called ZBar-Tools on Debian. Should be in the repositories for most Linux distributions. Install it with your package manager, and then just point it to any image, and it will give you the text from those barcodes in there. Thanks for watching, and I hope that you have a great day.